2 guys, part 2.
Bebe, para sa'yo, ang giling-giling mo. Para sa'yo, giling-giling mo. Mapapao, mapapao na lang. Giling-giling mo lang. Para sa'yo, ang giling-giling mo. Tuyan ang giling. Bubabayo.
This is our super tasty sauces, and this is our fish. So, our shrimps has been run out. This is the last of the shrimp. Excuse me. Bro, I'm gonna remove this part, bro. Never mind. Bro, I'm full. I'm getting full. That's all we're gonna do. Good name my phone. Low early and back early. Cause if one plate falls off, I'm literally cooked. Damn. Wait, I'm giving the cat. Me giving them fish. Bro, why is the dog here, bro? The dog come here freely like they own the home. So that's all. Bye, guys. Watch him eat too. He's mukbanging. Eat more.